So what type of 3D printer might work for you? Well, to start, you may not even need one. 3D printing service bureaus can be a great option if you only need a few prints made or want to access a wide variety of printing technologies and materials. These options tend to be priced by the volume of print material used. You simply upload a design for print, choose a material, and a finished product is delivered to you. Using a surface also eliminates the risk of print failures, which can cause frustration and material waste to say the least. Some bureaus even let you sell your products on their marketplace for a royalty. If you decide to buy a 3D printer, a desktop option might be a good place to start. They're usually affordable compared to commercial printers and can range from a few $100s for build-it-yourself kits to a few $1,000s for more professional models. Keep in mind that even though desktop printers fit well in a home or office, the size of their prints may be limiting. Professional 3D printers give you the widest flexibility of printing technologies and materials, ranging anywhere from a few $1,000s to several $100,000 in cost. Let's take a look at some of the more popular printing technologies. Stereolithography, or SLA, was the first 3D printing technology and is still used today. The process uses a vat of liquid resin in combination with a laser. The laser hardens the surface layer of the resin one cross-section at a time, lifting the part as each consecutive layer is hardened. This process is used in both high-end commercial machines and in desktop machines, like the popular Formlabs printers. One of the best aspects of stereolithography is its ability to create highly detailed designs. These prints can then be used to create molds for production runs, or used to create one-off parts using special materials. So if print resolution is what you're after, SLA might be the solution you're looking for. But remember, the higher the resolution of a 3D print, the longer it takes to print. Selective laser sintering, or SLS, also uses a vat of material to create prints, although the material used is a granular vinyl powder rather than a liquid resin. A laser moves across the surface of the powder, sintering or hardening a cross-section of the print. The vat then lowers slightly before a new layer of powder is brushed over the hardened layer to create the next cross-section. This process is repeated until an entire object is printed. SLS is also one of the most economical methods of 3D printing because you can reuse unhardened powder, and there's no need to print support structures. The vat of powder supports itself as the print develops. When a print is complete, the parts are simply scooped out of the vat and excess material is either blown or brushed away. SLS prints are typically white with a slightly rough and porish finish to them. And because they're vinyl, thin features remain flexible and tough, while thicker features are durable and robust. You can even add color by dyeing a finished print. SLS isn't limited to vinyl either. Metal and ceramic powders can be sintered to produce objects as well. Material jetting, or polyjet prints, are created using technology similar to an inkjet printer. But instead of ink, the ink head deposits thin layers of acrylic resin which are instantly cured by a UV light. And similar to stereolithography, polyjet prints have great resolution because each layer is so thin. But unlike SLA prints, polyjet prints can be created in a wide array of colors and textures because a variety of plastic resins can be deposited using the same print head. Even the support material, which is typically melted or washed away, is deposited through the same head.